Last year in September, I had the opportunity to review the Google Pixel 8 Pro, and the title was A Glimpse into the Future of Smartphones. The main reason behind this was the incorporation of artificial intelligence, which took center stage as the key new feature on Google's latest smartphone. It was undeniably exciting, although the AI capabilities, such as live transcriptions and magical photo editing to remove unwanted background elements, were not yet consistently reliable. Fast forward to a month ago, when Samsung unveiled their Galaxy S24 Ultra. This flagship phone quickly made its way onto numerous best smartphones lists, joining the ranks of Google and Apple's latest offerings. However, Samsung took it a step further this year by embracing AI technology, even marketing the S24 Ultra as the world's first AI phone. After using the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra for a month, I came to realize that there are still several obstacles to overcome. Nevertheless, this phone has a dual nature. On its worst days, it's just another overpriced smartphone. But at its very best, it provides a tantalizing glimpse into the exciting and radically different possibilities of life with an AI smartphone. Before purchasing the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, there are a few important questions to consider. Throughout the history of mobile phones, new technologies have often been met with skepticism. When mobile cameras were first introduced, many doubted their ability to replace traditional cameras. Now with the S24 Ultra, the new technology in question is AI. At first glance, the AI capabilities of this smartphone may seem unnecessary. After all, do you really need ChatGPT to write your emails or Imagine to create wallpapers? So the question remains, is the S24 Ultra's innovation truly beneficial for consumers? The answer lies in the impressive range of AI features offered by the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This smartphone can live translate your phone calls, transcribe voice recordings, and even summarize them. It can remove unwanted objects from photos, generate wallpapers based on keywords, and selectively summarize web pages on browsers. When all of these features work seamlessly, the S24 Ultra becomes a truly personalized device that caters to your specific needs. It feels like a high-end fashion item tailored to perfection. One particularly exciting feature is the ability to create new wallpapers based on keywords. This adds a refreshing touch to personalizing your device. Additionally, the live translation feature is incredibly helpful for multinational corporate teams, facilitating seamless communication across continents. The capability to edit unwanted items in photos is also noteworthy, and it is likely to become a mainstream AI feature in the near future. Samsung has already integrated this feature into their Gallery app, emphasizing its importance. What sets the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra apart is that all of these AI features are seamlessly integrated into the native interface. They don't feel like add-ons or third-party applications. This level of integration ensures a smooth and cohesive user experience. In conclusion, while some may question the necessity of AI features in a smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra proves its worth with its impressive range of capabilities. From live translating phone calls to generating personalized wallpapers, this device offers a unique and tailored experience. So, before making a decision, consider how these AI features can enhance your smartphone usage. The S24 Ultra from Samsung is a flagship device that goes beyond just artificial intelligence. Powered by Qualcomm's latest chip, the 4nm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, this phone effortlessly handles any mainstream smartphone task. The 6.8-inch AMOLED display offers sharpness and vibrancy, with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate that makes all animations feel fluid. It truly feels like one of the most luxurious smartphones available. The main 200-megapixel camera has improved over time, delivering effortless low-light and warm-light photography. You can even zoom up to 100x digitally to capture those stunning moonshots. However, the quality of these moon photos hasn't improved since the S21 Ultra. On the bright side, you can now record 4K HDR videos at 120 frames per second, which look rich and well-textured, even during editing. One downside is that Samsung lacks Apple's Pro Color profiles, which may be a deal-breaker for professionals. Despite its AI capabilities and premium design, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with a hefty price tag that may be hard to justify for a device that you'll likely replace within a few years. Is it worth buying for the AI features alone? To be fair, the S24 Ultra does offer an exciting experience when the AI is at work. Many of its features are expected to improve with future software updates, as Samsung collects and processes more data over time. If you're an enthusiast, the S24 Ultra is definitely a worthy splurge. It feels newer than Apple's latest offering and much more premium than Google's. However, if you're not an enthusiast, you may want to consider the base Galaxy S24 or explore more affordable options from OnePlus or Samsung itself. If you've been holding onto a phone that's been around for at least 2 years, prepare to be blown away by the S24 Ultra's superphone capabilities. Enhancing the display of a smartphone is crucial in elevating the overall user experience, and the Galaxy S Ultra line has always excelled in this aspect. Thanks to Samsung's sister company, Samsung Display, which is renowned for its expertise in display technology, Samsung phones consistently incorporate the latest advancements. However, this year's leap in display quality for the flagship Samsung phone is truly unprecedented. It's not just about the image quality on the display itself, although that has significantly improved. With a peak brightness that has soared from 1750 to an impressive 2600 nits, the S24 Ultra offers a visually stunning experience. The movements and animations are smoother, the color accuracy and vibrance are exceptional, and the device performs exceptionally well even under direct sunlight. But what truly sets the S24 Ultra apart is its revolutionary Gorilla Armor glass, developed by Corning. This anti-reflective and anti-scratch glass is a game-changer. Let me share a personal experience to emphasize its durability. When I reviewed the iPhone 15 Pro Max, I had it outside of a case for just 30 minutes, and it already acquired a scratch on the screen that hasn't disappeared. On the other hand, I used the S24 Ultra without a case for 3 whole days, and not a single speck appeared on its screen. Even after extensive use, there isn't even the slightest hint of a scratch anywhere on the display. It's not just my opinion. The new display of the S24 Ultra has received high praise from experts. DxOMark, a reputable testing authority, has ranked the S24 Ultra display as the #1 among the world's best smartphones. While there have been some discussions about vivid color issues, I have already addressed them in my previous videos. Feel free to check them out for more details. The camera on the Galaxy S Ultra series has always impressed me, especially with its 10x optical zoom. So, when I heard that the S24 Ultra was reducing it to 5x, I wasn't exactly thrilled. I've always preferred the sharpness and clarity of the 10x zoom photos on the Galaxy S Ultra compared to the iPhone. However, the S24 Ultra surprised me with its new 5x camera. Despite the downgrade in zoom, it now boasts a 50-megapixel sensor, allowing it to crop in and utilize the extra data to produce incredibly crisp and clean images. In my tests, the results were just as good, if not better, than the 10x zoom photos from previous models. This improvement can be attributed to the fact that the new 5x sensor can capture more light, thanks to its improved aperture. It went from f/4.9 to 3.4, making a noticeable difference. While the digital zoom feature on the S24 Ultra allows you to go up to 100x, I still recommend sticking to 10x or below. Anything beyond that still results in grainy and disappointing images. I had an amazing experience with the S24 Ultra's various photo options. It offers an impressive array of modes that cater to different shooting preferences. Personally, I find myself gravitating towards the Pro and Pro Video modes as they grant me greater control over the camera settings, without relying on computational algorithms to enhance the shots. However, for most people, the standard photo and video modes are more than sufficient, except for one mode, night mode. Occasionally, this feature attempts to create a longer exposure, making the night scene appear as bright as day, which can sometimes ruin a perfectly good shot. Nevertheless, I discovered that by simply tapping the crescent moon icon to disable night mode, the resulting photo is almost always better. The camera's sensors excel in low light conditions without relying on the poorly implemented longer exposure features of night mode. Additionally, the camera system offers a range of other useful modes such as panorama, portrait, hyperlapse, slow motion, and food. However, if you're an experienced photographer who prefers shooting raw images, you'll need to download a separate app called Expert RAW. It would be great if Samsung could simplify this process and incorporate RAW shooting as an option within the Pro mode. Now let's not delve too deeply into the new Galaxy Eye features this time around, as we've already discussed them extensively. However, I must say that I was pleasantly surprised by how incredibly useful and effective these features turned out to be, although they still have room for improvement. If you're considering purchasing the S24 Ultra through a carrier plan with monthly payments, you'll be pleasantly surprised to note that it may only cost you an additional $5 to $10 per month compared to the standard S24 or S24 Plus. For just a few extra dollars, you'll be getting a whole lot more in terms of features and performance. Rest assured, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a phone for the present, but also for the future. Its advanced technology and remarkable capabilities ensure that it will continue to be an advanced smartphone for years to come. So why settle for anything less when you can have the best? Overall, the S24 Ultra is practical, pleasant to use, and excels in various little ways. In a rapidly evolving smartphone market, these qualities are definitely praiseworthy. So, what do you think about the newest 24 lineup? I would love to hear about your experience in the comments section below. And don't forget to stay tuned to our channel for more exciting updates. Catch you in the next one. Take care,